are tuned in to Ryan Campbell, Soup to Nuts. This thing on? Alright, back with you. We're gonna get shaking, moving, doing some things. Doing my thing. Alright, we're gonna first clean up the garage a little bit, organize some crap. I'm not gonna film that because that's kind of boring unless you're OCD like myself, and it's kind of satisfying. But I don't know who you are, I don't know what your intentions are of watching this channel. Do with it what you will. Alright, so we're going to do that first, then I'm probably going to put the steering wheel column bolted back in, so that way I can steer the car later. I'm not going to film that either, because that's just straight boring crap again. And then after that, fuel system stuff. I'll probably film that. Maybe. I don't know. Who knows? Who the hell cares? Ugh. You know? Alright, yeah, I'll probably film that. So we gotta take the fuel pressure regulator out and all the fuel lines, because they're not factory, they're aftermarket. And I'm gonna put them on the other car. So I will take them off and film that, and after that, probably call it a day. Because there's not much else to do until I get some parts. Until UPS shows me some love. Where is the love? I don't know. Alright, let's get cracking. So the next thing you'll probably see is when I'm ready to do the fuel stuff. Until then, sit tight. Hold on to your underwear. Get ready for a wild ride. Alright, we got a little unboxing video for you. Let's see what we got here. A little Christmas morning action. At the blade. Get the blade out. And do this one-handed. Without cutting myself, because that would suck. Come on. Get the effect there, but box is a little rocky. That's a little rocking action, see? That's a little rocking action. Not the safest way to open the box, but we'll get her done. Let's see what we got, boys and girls. What we got here, boys and girls? More packaging is what we got. We have more packaging. Yes, we do. Yeah, this camera action sucks. I should have put this on a tripod. Gotta start doing more tripod action. More tripod. More cowbell. More tripod. This video is sucking for you, but I'm trying to give you some good audio. How's this for audio? What's more satisfying than popping these bubbles? Huh? 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 And let's see what we got. Ammo. Focus, focus. Focus, camera, focus. God damn it. Here we go. Ammo Gelée. Wheel protectant 2.0. This focus blows balls. Come on. Get your together. Holding the air or some will help. Come on! Goddamn camera. I'm gonna murder you. There we go. So, I've never used this before. So, it's actually the first product I've ordered from Ammo for detailing people out there. Should be some of the best stuff out there, from what I hear. I'm not a detailing guru or anything, but I know a thing or two. I know the 2-bucket method. I know a couple things. I know a little bit about microfiber towels. I know a few things. Another thing I want to mention, see if you could see it. Come on. Oh, you can kind of see it right here. Let's see if we get better lighting. Better lighting, right there. A little mark. That was from this guy over here. These headlight buckets just are out to kill me. You got my arm earlier, which you saw. I got my head. I didn't realize. I got my head last night. I didn't realize until I was showering up and whatnot and looked in the mirror. These things are absolute. They're just. You know what? You ever need to defend yourself? Just freaking hit somebody with a headlight bucket. You know, you don't need a gun, knife, none of that crap. Just headlight bucket. That's all you need. Alright, get back to cleaning up. I did get the steering wheel back in now, which you can't see too well without a light. Let's see if this light is dead. Here we go. At the steering wheel. Got her mounted all back up. So that was an absolute nightmare. Nightmare. Clean time. Fuel removal next. Fuel done. Used to be right here. Right here. That's 2 holes. Next, side skirt. All right. What? What do you want? I'm just messing with you. All right, you're gonna be done for the day, cause the hell with this shit. Done with this crap. Had enough. Up to here. Here. I'm too tall. Up to here. So, only thing I have left that I actually have materials for is to vinyl over, cover over the side view mirror holes and the rear taillight holes. Other than that, the only thing I got left, which you've heard before, you might be tired of hearing about it, but screw you. Is the brakes. I'm not doing the full brakes, just put the rotors on so you get the wheels on, and the front right knuckle and the front right of the car, which is kind of over there where that hand is pointing. My one hand's hand pointing to the other hand. It's, you know, kind of like a relay action. So gotta do that and put that all back together, and we'll little baby girl out of here. Let me show you side skirt damage. You can kind of see. You kind of see. It's bumped in here and really bulging here. It's supposed to be straight, or it's bulging out. It's supposed to be straight. Yeah, different angle. Yeah, that gives you a good angle. Angle of attack. Attack, boys, attack! That's that. So we got that out. And rocking and rolling. Rolling and rocking. Let's enjoy the rest of the day. Not too bad out. No rain finally. Doesn't happen too often here. Not too often. We get like 2,000 inches of rain a year. 2,000. believe that? It's crazy. Crazy! Drive fast, take chances. Huh. Still on? This is still on?